Hello friends, today I will talk about the results of Sun in Aries Ascendant in the first house. Along with explaining the results, I will also explain my method which I use to ascertain the results, and you will find it is a very easy method to follow. So please watch the video till the end. To find out the results of Sun, we have to know only two things. First thing is what is Sun, and second thing is which houses it is affecting in the horoscope. So what is Sun? Sun, as we know, is a hot planet. Sun gives us light, Sun gives us life, Sun gives life to all the living beings on this earth. It is because of Sun that every plant and animal gets life. But this very Sun, when it is very hot, also tends to burn up all these plants and animals, and that place becomes a desert. We must remember that. Along with that, Sun represents the king, that is the government, and it also represents father. Sun is also the significator of our health, our self-confidence, and our ego. Earth moves around the Sun at regular intervals, or rather, if we are standing in the center, we can say that Sun goes around the Earth at regular intervals. So Sun always moves in one direction, it always moves forward at very regular intervals. Now to ascertain the results, we must know only one thing, that is what houses Sun is affecting in the horoscope. So to check these houses, we see where Sun is placed and which houses it is the lord of. To check this, see both your natal horoscope as well as your Kaspal chart, which is also known as Chalit chart or Bhav Chalit chart in Hindi. As you can see on my side, Sun is placed in the first house in the horoscope, and Sun, which is the lord of Leo, which is the fifth sign, is therefore the lord of the fifth house. So in this horoscope, Sun is controlling the first house and the fifth house. This is all we have to know, and now we will begin to see the results. To see the results, we will first check the individual results of both these houses, that is the first house and the fifth house, independently, and then I will show you the method whereby we combine these two results. So what is the first house? The first house represents our cells, our physical body, our mental attitude, our way of thinking, everything related to my body, which includes how do I look, how do I dress up, how do I project myself to other, what is my health, how is my constitution, am I healthy or not. So Sun in the first house will make the person very healthy, the person will have good immunity against diseases, and the person will have a very attractive or very magnetic personality like the Sun. He will like to dress up well, he will like to project himself well in front of others. He will have good self-confidence and good balanced ego. However, if Sun is very strong in this condition, then the person can have a tendency towards overconfidence and extra ego or egoistic attitude. The person will be fair in color and he will have a good body structure. The first house also represents the top of our head, and therefore Sun in this position is going to affect the hair, that is, the hair may become of light honey color, the eyes also may get that effect, and in case Sun is very strong, then the person will lose hair from the front portion, that is this portion of his head. Now let us see what the fifth house represents. The fifth house represents our child, or childbirth, or the first pregnancy. Sun affecting the fifth house through its sign Leo. Leo is known as a barren sign, which is not considered good for childbirth. Also, Sun is a very hot planet, and therefore it has a tendency to cause problems in childbirth. However, Sun is a male planet, so he will give his blessings to the person to get a male child. The fifth house is also our intelligence, and Sun affecting this house or lord of this house makes the person very intelligent. In many cases I have seen, if Sun is placed in the fifth house, the person may go to very high level education such as IIT, etc. The fifth house indicates uncertain gains, a tendency of a person to speculate towards lottery, gambling, share market, and all these things. The fifth house also indicates all kind of pleasure giving activities such as going to picnic, going to a cinema, going to an art exhibition, going on leave, going on a banquet, etc. Also, the fifth house indicates the tendency towards artistic things such as art and cinema. The fifth house also indicates our love affairs, and it also is a significator of stomach. Having seen both the first and fifth house independently, now let us try to combine the results of the first house and fifth house. As we can see, the first house represents me, myself, or the person whose horoscope it is. So in your case, the first house will represent you. And the fifth house represents your children. Therefore, if your son is in the first house, your mind will always be engaged with the children. You will always be thinking about children. The children will also be very attached to you. Your mind will keep thinking about speculation, or you will have a tendency towards speculation, towards gambling, towards horse racing, towards share market, and these kind of other uncertain gains and activities. Fifth house is also the 12th to the 6th house, and therefore it gives us good recovery from disease. The fifth house represents our intelligence. So a person having sun in the first house, his mind will be very intelligent. His mind will be inclined towards pleasurable activities, towards going on picnics, towards going on banquets, towards going out and enjoying himself to shopping malls, etc. Since the person's health is good, he will also be very successful in sports, because sports also is a pleasure giving activity which is represented from the fifth house, and the fifth lord has gone to the first house. So the person will also be very good in sports. He will take a lot of interest in sports. The fifth house also represents our love affair. So a person having sun in the first house, his love affair lord has gone to his self, his mind. That means the person will definitely think about love affairs, and he will be quite open and aggressive and voluntary towards it. The fifth house also represents our stomach, and since sun gives a good resistance from diseases, that means the person's stomach will remain healthy. Now next thing is the fifth house. What will be the effect on people or things connected to the fifth house? Fifth house represents our children, and the first house is the ninth from the fifth house. The ninth represents long travels. So children will go on long travels. The children also will be very religious, and they will get higher education. The children will have good morals, and they will respect their father. The children will be attached to their father. So this is how we will ascertain the results of sun in the first house in Aries ascendant, and there are many combinations which will come out. It is important to see the strength of the planet through its degrees to ascertain the exact results. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.